robots. Are you curious to learn robotics or want to try something new? Science experiments? Then I have a perfect solution for this. Visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and creative educational kits for your kids. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting educational kits for yourself. A paper cup, rotating toy. The materials required are 2 paper cups, sketch pens, scissors, compass, painting brush and colors. Take a paper cup and paint it with white color. Let's make cartoons on the cup. Let's cut the cup from the middle as shown. Now with sketch pens, let's color the cartoons. Let's take black sketch pen and make its eyes. and share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Sparklebox, and I'll be back with another interesting DIY.